Hi, I'm Natasha, a certified massage therapist and movement alignment coach. I am interested in sharing ideas for how to be healthy during this pandemic. It's a lot for everyone to take in, and how we take care of ourselves serves not only ourselves, but our immediate community and society as a whole. So I don't mean to be giving health advice about avoiding getting the virus or what to do if you contract it. There's plenty of information about that. But what I am interested in sharing is how to be responsible for your own well-being during this time. We don't want to become a burden on our friends or family or the larger systems at this time. So it's very important that we take responsibility for our own psychic and emotional and physical health now. So some of us might be injured or ill at the moment, but we can still take good care of our own attitude. All right. So the 5-point program that I've come up with is number 1, restrict the amount of time that you spend paying attention to the pandemic. So it's important to take in information and communicate with loved ones, but this doesn't need to be all day long. And it doesn't need to be interwoven throughout every moment of your day, back and forth, back and forth. That's very taxing emotionally and energetically. So putting some kind of discipline around the amount of time that you take in information and put out information about the pandemic. There's no need to be on it all the time. Number 2 is to move your body. Even if you are sequestered in your home, even if you're in a wheelchair, you can move a part of your body, you can move your entire body, you can have fun with it, you can rotate your wrist, and you can dance with your whole being. Movement frequently throughout the day and even for little minutes here and there can make a really big difference to move your energy, to uplift your spirits, and to keep you healthy. Number 3 is interestingly kind of the opposite, which is be still. There's a lot going on, and it's important for us to get centered in ourselves and feel the present moment. If this experience doesn't bring us to the present moment, I don't know what will, because we're all in this together and everything is knowingly unknown, and we don't know where things are going, so we might as well appreciate what's directly in front of us. We might have a lot on our plate, but we can appreciate the good things that are happening in front of us, because I'm sure there are good things, little moments even, in the most stressful circumstances. So taking a moment here and there throughout the day, more moments if you have them, to sit quietly or stand quietly, just pause and feel where you are, feel your breath, appreciate maybe the birds or just the fact that you're alive, that you have been getting beautiful messages of love from people that you didn't expect. Whatever it is, pause and appreciate this moment now. Number 4 is to be positive and uplifting. So this isn't about denying reality as it is. This is about making sure that the messages you give yourself and the messages you give other people are uplifting, not fear-based, not anxiety-producing, but positive and affirmative and comforting and loving. This is really important. And number 5 is to make a regimen for yourself. So whether or not you're working from home or not working, your schedule has probably changed. So creating some kind of regimen that allows for you to take care of your needs and your responsibilities each day. A regimen doesn't have to be rigid, so it can change as your needs shift. And right now, things are changing daily. So thinking about what are the top 5 to 7, 10 things that you need to take care of each day. And that includes your well-being, taking care of your any dependents you have, your household, your work, whatever those things are, and thinking about how each of those things can get some time each day, not skimping in any area, will really make a big difference in terms of you being able to be well for the full length of this situation, whatever it is, and maybe even come out stronger than when you went in. So when this thing started. With that, I want to wish you to be very, very well and much love. If you are interested in hearing more about how to take care of yourself in these kinds of ways and others, including how to sit ergonomically or stand ergonomically while you're working from home, if you are interested in learning self-care methods, including massage for your own being, from yourself, or other kinds of ways of taking care of yourself in this time, I am much interested in being part of your journey, so please contact me. Thank you and goodbye.